Now let's talk about what you need for a successful online business. This is a different video from the normal stereotypes that everyone out there are making. You see, before anybody comes to your DM or put up a video to show you how to make money online, you see them flaunting Lambo, a house, a vacation, you know, a social proof just to convince you that yes, they are really making the money, and most of them are true, while the majority are just not true. They are just trying to market themselves, sell you something or another. And funny enough, what most people don't understand these days is most people can rent all those things. You can rent a house, you can rent a car. In fact, most person use a boat or a Uber to make you feel like they have so many cars, and at the end of the day what they are just doing is just ordering Uber or a boat on a daily basis, and they snap and they take pictures or make a video as if they have different cars, as if they are in different cars. All right, but let me tell you the simple truth right here. From my own perspective, I don't know about others, and from what I've learned and from what I've experienced, what it takes to build a successful online business, it takes you to learn and understand the skills and the particular business that you want to build. All right, there are so many online businesses, and people profit from them differently. Someone who is profiting from forex marketing, forex trading, might not be anything close to dropshipping. While someone who is profiting from affiliate marketing might not be anything close to blogging. Someone who is profiting from blogging might not be anything close to, real estate or whatever, or social media advertising. All right. But meanwhile, all of these people are good in one thing, and that is the individual skills that they all learned. All right. What I'm trying to say in essence is forget about all the flaunting, all the shows that get across that you to see every single day on social media, and they keep you depressed and seated down thinking that you're doing nothing. You're actually doing well, doing pretty well. So what you just need is what you just need is you just need to learn one particular skill. Choose one which you are comfortable with. This is exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so you all need to just understand that everything that must be profitable needs some level of proficiency, like skill, like your skill level in that area have to be at least an intermediate one before you can be able to profit differently from every other person's. All right, so you need to just focus on what you're doing and do it perfectly well. Don't jump from one area to another. Don't be in forex today, tomorrow you're in dropshipping, next tomorrow you're in blogging, and you don't perfect any, you don't know anything much about those skills. You don't have any perfection in any of them. All right, so choose a skill that you want to dive into, that you want to perfect, and then deal with it perfectly well. All right, maybe you could be in forex, all right, dropshipping, social media marketing like Facebook ad, Google ads, and all of that, and then maybe it's YouTube, just the way you are seeing my video, right? All right, maybe you have something to teach, or maybe you have something to just show to people. All right, there are a lot of things to do on YouTube. And then what again, cryptocurrency. You could be a trader, you could trade cryptocurrency, you could just teach people a lot of things, or you could be an online tutor. So there are a whole lot of skills online, or you could be a freelancer on Fiverr or wherever, on any website out there. All right, there are so many websites to be a freelancer, and boom, that's how you go. So just choose a skill and don't let the social media show off to depress you, because nobody show off their failure on social media. All right, I personally, I fail a lot, but I succeed beyond my failure. All right, everybody fails. Everybody who attempts to do something great do fails at one point or the other, but they never let that failure hit them, and they never showcase those failures to you. Most people want to be like the greatest person in the world. They want to be like that great person. Everybody want to be like Mike Tyson. Everybody want to be like, let's say, like Will Smith. Everybody want to be like one great person or the other, or Jakes or whatever. But nobody want to know how the heck they do those things. All right. Nobody want to know the process that it took them. All right. Most person want to be like, okay, I want to be like the greatest athlete in the world. I want to be like Usain Bolt. All right, but nobody knew that why they were still thinking they want to be like such person. Such person was busy training or running up and down or exercising just to be able to put up those feet that we admire. All right, so just keep cool, go back to work. We all should go back to work. So this video is not like teach. It's just try to wake your ass up and then get something really doing. So if you really enjoy some of my content, it'd be nice if you give me a thumbs up. All right, it really helps. Apart from the YouTube algorithm, which helps, it also encourages me to produce more videos. All right, to do more. All right, to do more stuffs like this. All right, so give me a thumbs up. All right, like, comment in the comment section, and then share my videos. Subscribe if you already subscribed to my channel. I'm really grateful. You are the real MVP. All right, I always say in the next couple of 3 to 5 years coming from now, all right, everyone on this channel that's from the right beginning of this channel till then are all going to be millionaires and billionaires if you take some of the steps that I do pass across to you guys here, because those are some of the stuffs I do as well. So see you in my next video.